and I'm back with a new video. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be unboxing my new nail drill. I ordered this. I'm not sure. I received it today, so I ordered it yesterday, I believe. So this is a melodysusie nail drill. I'm just gonna unbox it for y'all. So here is enjoy 20% off. So y'all can use this if y'all want, LOL. It just shows how to use the code on Amazon or on melodysusie site. They have an actual site, but I got my drill from Amazon. So it comes with the user manual, like everything you have to do, how to use the drill, how to insert bits, all of that. And the drill, it looks very nice. It looks like it's like high quality. It have the K RPM, which will show you how fast your drill is rotating within a minute, I believe. And then there's this the plug. Then you have the on and off, and you have the, I guess this is the maximum speed on this side. Then you have a clip right where you can clip it on your pants. Then right here is like where the clear thing goes to hook and sit your drill in. And this is the forward or reverse. So like, I believe if you, I'm not even sure, I'm not gonna tell y'all what to use. I am a beginner nail tech. And if you've been watching my previous videos, you've been hearing me say that I need a new drill. I've been using a $10 drill that hasn't been getting the work done. I'm not sure how much this drill cost me because I did get discounts, y'all. My hands are so ashy. I just got off work and I just got out of the shower. So, and this box here is the actual handpiece. Hold on. This is the handpiece. It comes bubble wrapped. And right here, it says melodysusie. And it's very nice, y'all. It looks like very high quality. Like, then here you would lock it like that, I believe. And to unlock it, you would twist it to the stuff, pull it out like that. That's unlocking it. And then you will put it back in to lock it. And now it's locked. Okay? So yeah, that's this. And this piece would go into here, y'all. Let me see. Yep, would go just into there like that. This feels really nice. Like, I feel like I can be able to do good work with this. Yeah. And I'm gonna put this right here, y'all. So then next in the box we have, I haven't opened this yet, y'all. We have the little thing to where you sit the drill on. I guess you would just sit it here like that. Well, let me show this melodysusie for y'all. Sit it here like that. And then you have the charger for the drill. This is a rechargeable drill. It's also portable, so that's good. So I'm about to plug it up, and you would just plug it down here at the bottom like this, and it lights up. And as y'all can see, is at 2 bars. Also what they have in here is this little clear thing I was talking about. Okay, hold on, y'all. It goes here like that, and I believe I put it on wrong. Hold on, y'all. It goes, no, I think I put it on right. It goes like that. You put your drill in there, and you know, like that. Then y'all have a drill. I have some drill bits. I probably would only use this one and maybe this one. Probably this, I'm not sure. I'm gonna show y'all the extra drill bits I bought. They didn't come from melodysusie, but they look like the same ones. These are the drill bits that I bought. Hold on. So these are the ones that I purchased separately. So these are basically essential. Like, these are the ones that you, well, I know that these 3 are the ones that you really need. You can use these for cuticles and these for cuticles also. But I also got these to go with the drill because I don't have any drill bits. And I've used these with my other nails or whatever, and I don't really like them. So hold on, y'all. I'm gonna just test one out and show y'all how loud the drill is. I'm gonna just change the drill bit, y'all. I'm gonna put in this one, and I'm gonna actually show y'all on my little practice hand that I don't like. So hold on. This is it on 7. This is it on 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see. And this is it on 30,000. Okay. So y'all, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna see how good it works, and I'm gonna try to take some acrylic off of a practice hand that I've been using. Hold on one second. I'm gonna show y'all just like how good it works basically. I'm gonna put it on 10 and see how it does. Hold on. I'm gonna turn it up, y'all. I'm gonna put it on 20. So y'all, I actually drilled into my practice hand, y'all. So you have to be really careful when using these, y'all. So y'all see how quick that was? This nail is not that hot, but so y'all, I think it works good. It got this acrylic off quick. Y'all might want to be careful. I actually drilled into my practice hand. I was actually trying to see something though, that's why I did that, but y'all just see how powerful it is. Like, it actually drilled into my practice hand. My other drill would never. It could never. But yeah, y'all, this is the drill. I love it so far, but that worked very quick. I love this nail drill. So far, I love it. That's what I'm gonna say. So far, I love this nail drill, y'all. And I'm excited. Also got from Amazon these gel nail polishes. I heard that they were good, so I had picked up 2 of them. These are top coats. I have picked up 2 of them because I need to use something new. These are Amelie. I don't know how you repeat it, but I've heard really good things about these from like Great Nail Tech, so I decided to get 2 of them because honestly, I've been using some that couldn't even probably compare, and I've been having problem with my nail sets getting dirty, like the polish, the top coat getting dirty. So I heard about this, so I tried it. If this doesn't work how I expect, I'll be trying IBD gel top coat recommended by Sydney Alexis, and that's also what I got. Hold on, let me dust this off. I also got some long stiletto nail tips. If you watch my videos, you know that these are the only nail tips that I use, really. I just got more because I was running out, and they actually high profile arch. What? They actually lasted me for a while, y'all. Don't mind what I just said. But yeah, they work really good. They help you shape easy. And yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to my next video to see me do a set with the Melody Susie nail drill. Yep, just stay tuned for me to do a set. I'm really happy that I invested into this nail drill. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.